Today I'm going to feed them this mosota with the freshly cooked plantain, sweet plantain, and some mutton biryani, chapati, and fried mutton, and some tea later on for dessert. Thank you. You see this? You want to use this for the sweet plantain. Food is about not only the taste but also presentation. So I'm going to make it nicely. Not only taste nice but also smell very nice. Why do you add the coconut oil? Because the pishi, this is Mombasa style kind of cooking. So we use a lot of coconuts. Wow, done. I think we have made enough to pass to you. Yes. Good.